Everyone, thank you for coming out for my presentation. Twin peaks, boobs, tits, tatas, hubcaps, hooters, bosoms, bee stings, Gerber servers, and milk jugs, as they're called in my home. Breastfeeding is the topic of my speech today. Breastfeeding has many, many benefits for both mother and child. Breastfeeding is a wonderful gift for you as well as your baby. Many mothers feel fulfillment and joy from the physical and emotional communion. The experience with their child while nursing. These feelings are augmented by the release of hormones such as prolactin, which produces a peaceful, nurturing sensation. Also, oxytocin promotes a strong sense of love and attachment between the two of you. The pleasant feelings may be one of the reasons so many women who have breastfed their first child choose to breastfeed their children who follow. The many bonuses for the mother is way beyond emotional satisfactions. Mothers who breastfeed recover from childbirth more quickly and easily. The hormones act as a buffer to help the uterus reduce in size, as well as postpartum stresses. It relaxes them. You lose weight faster. Breastfeeding also lowers the rate of ovarian cancer and breast cancer later on in life, along with lowering the rates of developing type 2 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, cardiovascular disease, high blood pressure, and cholesterol. Finally, exclusively breastfeeding delays the mother's return of her menses, which can help extend the time between pregnancies, which means God-given contraceptive. Breast milk is a unique combination of nutrients essential to child's health and cannot be duplicated by a laboratory. It provides a number of health advantages beginning at birth and continuing throughout the child's life. In fact, the longer a mother breastfeeds, the more likely her child will get health benefits of breastfeeding. According to American Academy of Pediatrics, recommend that breastfeeding mothers breastfeed for at least 6 months, but it's recommended for a year. And then, after the 6 months, you will introduce high iron and rich foods to complement the breastfeeding. The breastfeeding benefits for children. The first milk that comes in is called colostrum, better known as liquid gold. This milk is very rich in nutrients and antibodies to protect your baby. Although your baby is only getting a small amount, it matches the amount of the tiny stomach that the baby has at birth. Breast milk also changes as your baby grows. As your baby matures, breast milk has to mature as well, giving your baby fat, sugar, and water, and protein to help them grow. It is the thinner type of milk that provides nutrients and antibodies. Breast milk is easier to digest for babies, especially preemies. Breast milk is easier than formula. The proteins in formula are from cow's milk and sometimes soy, and it takes baby's stomach to adjust to digest them. Breast milk for the babies also fight diseases. The cells, hormones, and antibodies in breast milk protect babies from illnesses. This protection is unique formula, cannot be matched by chemical makeup or human breast milk. In fact, formula-fed babies have more ear infections, diarrhea, and common colds than breastfed babies. Some research show that breastfeeding can also reduce type 1 diabetes, childhood leukemia, and atopic dermatitis, a type of skin rash. Breastfeeding has also been shown to lower the risk of SIDS. Not only do they have all these medical benefits, there are also financial benefits as well. A woman who breastfeeds has a lesser financial burden than a mother that chooses to use infant formula. The average expense is between $800 to $1,200 per year just for formula. Breastfed babies also have less medical conditions. In one study, a group of formula-fed infants had $68,000 in healthcare costs in a 6-month period, while the equal number of nursing babies only had $4,000 in similar costs. That's according to the National Resource Defense Council.org. The IRS even gives a lactation expense, a tax credit up to $1,000 per year for breastfeeding supplies, according to IRS.gov. In conclusion, I have given you the tools and the necessary information so that you can choose with your next child or with family members to help them make the choice to breastfeed. Thank you.